Welcome once again today to our channel where we explore health, science, and everything in between. Today we're diving into a viral disease that has captured global attention, monkeypox. What is it? Where did it come from? How does it spread? And most importantly, how can we manage and prevent it? Let's get into it. Monkeypox was first identified in 1958 when outbreaks occurred in colonies of monkeys kept for research, hence the name. However, the virus wasn't found in humans until 1970 in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's caused by the monkeypox virus, a close relative of the virus that causes smallpox. For decades, monkeypox was largely confined to Central and West Africa, particularly in rural rainforest areas where people often come into contact with wildlife. But recent outbreaks in 2022 saw cases appearing in countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and several parts of Europe, spreading fear and misinformation. These new outbreaks have raised alarms because monkeypox is no longer a disease limited to Africa. But why has it spread so widely? Monkeypox is a zoonotic disease, meaning it can jump from animals to humans. The primary sources are rodents, not monkeys, as the name might suggest. Transmission occurs through direct contact with the blood, bodily fluids, or lesions of infected animals, or by consuming poorly cooked meat. Human-to-human transmission happens through close contact. Think skin-to-skin, respiratory droplets, or contaminated materials like bedding. One key point: monkeypox is much less contagious than COVID-19 or the flu, but it's still something we need to be vigilant about. Monkeypox symptoms start with fever, headache, muscle aches, and swollen lymph nodes. Then comes the rash, often starting on the face and spreading to other parts of the body. The rash evolves from flat red spots to fluid-filled blisters that eventually crust over. While these symptoms sound alarming, the good news is that most people recover in 2 to 4 weeks without treatment. However, certain groups, like young children, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems, are at higher risk for severe illness. Prevention is key. Avoid contact with potentially infected animals, practice good hand hygiene, and use personal protective equipment when caring for someone with monkeypox. Vaccines like the smallpox vaccine offer some protection against monkeypox, and newer vaccines are being developed. There's currently no specific cure for monkeypox, but antiviral drugs like tecovirimat are being used to treat severe cases. Supportive care, such as managing symptoms and preventing secondary infections, is crucial. Monkeypox is a reminder that our world is more interconnected than ever, and what affects one part of the globe can quickly spread to others. By staying informed, practicing good hygiene, and supporting global health efforts, we can keep this virus in check. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, hit that like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into health and science. Let's stay safe, stay informed, and look out for one another.